Welcome to the Advanced Remanufacturing and Technology Center, ARTC, an initiative by the Agency for Science, Technology and Research, ASTAR, in partnership with the Nanyang Technological University, NTU. The unique ARTC public-private partnership between ASTAR, NTU, and leading cross-sectoral companies across the supply chain will create a vibrant collaborative environment which will help companies to remain competitive in a fast-paced business environment. We invest in a high-quality environment for the development and demonstration of new technologies on an industrial scale, providing a unique opportunity for OEMs, equipment providers, suppliers, MNCs, and SMEs to collaborate, share resources, and achieve technological capabilities together. The facility consists of 7,200 square meters of workshops, laboratories, and offices, housed on 4 levels of a 6-story building, specifically designed around the ARTC's requirements. We addressed the valley of death in research and development and fast-tracking advanced manufacturing technologies. We understand the challenges of investing in new developments, and with our industry members, we have developed the ARTC technology investments and roadmaps. We carry out industrial skill development in 6 technological themes: smart manufacturing, additive manufacturing industrialization, advanced robotics applications, advanced remanufacturing, intelligent product verification, and data-driven surface enhancement. With industry members covering major manufacturing sectors like aerospace, heavy machineries, and fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG, we are geared towards engaging the whole supply chain ecosystem. Driven by industrial members, ARTC develops programs and initiatives to advance manufacturing technologies and drive digitalization. Through our groundbreaking technologies, we help companies to implement new ways to transform traditional manufacturing practices. The spectrum of equipment enables a one-stop solution for the entire remanufacturing cycle, covering state-of-the-art systems like additive manufacturing, collaborative robotics, hybrid machining cells enabling additive and subtractive processes in one machine, as well as augmented reality applied processes and surface enhancement technologies. Model Factory at ARTC, which was officially launched on 23 August 2018, is part of ASTAR's initiative to support the industry in their digital transformation journey. This factory of the future focuses on disruptive technologies, primarily Industry 4.0 technologies that can transform factories and industrial operations to be more efficient and competitive. Unique to the Model Factory at ARTC is the Virtual Manufacturing Lab, or VML. At VML, every physical asset in a factory can be represented with a digital model, and simulations are carried out to generate real-time information that provides the secure data required for optimization, decision-making, planning, and learning. Step into the Manufacturing Intelligence Control Room, or MICR, and learn how Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT, and visualization systems are coordinated and centralized control, all from the shop floor to supply chain level. We take priority in addressing our members' challenges and business transformation needs. Through collaborated technologies, we help members build in-depth capabilities and forge strong partnerships on all levels. We have committed teams of technical experts of diverse background from various nationalities to serve a global range of industry projects. Our members co-locate at ARTC to foster closer work relations and leverage on the multifaceted facilities. ARTC organized an array of technical events to foster effective business connections for networking and relationship building. ARTC, your gateway into innovative technologies for the industry.